So I received a set of 12 sticky traps for mice or rodents from the company. And I want to talk all about it and get into it and show you how useful something this big would actually work for you. So these are 24 inches long. This is doubled over, y'all. You literally would tear this apart. And because it's clear, you're not going to be able to see this, and neither is your rodent when they're walking on top of it. So you're almost guaranteed to be able to go ahead and actually catch something on this. These are extremely sticky, and if you wanted to go ahead and actually cut this, you probably could in order to have a smaller surface. If you were using this in a garage or a storage room or something, just make sure you don't have any other pets in that location, because as sticky as these are, they're going to end up catching anything on top of that. Now, it does recommend that you take a hair blow dryer and heat this up some in order to go ahead and separate this. Once you separate it, I would recommend taking some little bit of tape to be able to tape these edges down, because if not, basically this is just going to fold back on top of each other, right? Because of how they're shipped. Now, because they're made out of glue, you definitely don't want to use these outdoors or in the actual elements, because it is going to ruin them. And if you're the kind of person who doesn't like having chemicals or baits or anything like that around your home, these are a perfect solution for you.